Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz. This is my Week 5 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we did the penny oxidization experiment. You'll need a non-metallic bowl, paper towel, a teaspoon of salt, pennies. I did about 10 pennies, and then a fourth of a cup vinegar and water. Some items to note before starting this experiment is that vinegar is an acid. The copper oxidized is what's making the pennies dull looking. And if you don't rinse the pennies off after you do this experiment, they'll turn a greenish blue color. So now I'm going to show you me doing the experiment. Hi, my name is Nicole Kurtz. This is my Week 5 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. Today we're making the penny oxidization. So with me I have my bowl, paper towel, salt, and then I have my pennies. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. And then I have vinegar, and then my bowl of water. Now I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm going to pour a fourth of a cup. Mix about a teaspoon of salt. Actually, I'm going to get a measuring. I'm going to mix it. Now I'm going to drop my pennies in the water. I have 10 of them. You can actually see the copper oxide coming off of the pennies. It made the pennies a lot shinier. There are two of the most dirty pennies in there too. And then if I don't put the pennies in my water solution and I just leave them out, they'll form a greenish blue color, which is actually the malachite that forms on the pennies. So I'm going to wait a few seconds and see if I can get it start to form. So this penny, I didn't rinse off in the solution, and you can kind of see how it has like a different tint to it. And this is the penny that I did rinse off. You can definitely tell a difference in how like shiny it is. Thank you. So what happened? When the salt and vinegar were combined, that's whenever, and then the penny was added to the bowl, the salt and vinegar mixture removed the copper oxide, which was making the penny the dull looking color. But when you don't rinse off the coins after the salt and vinegar mixture was on them, it forms the malachite on the pennies. Thank you.